Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this 5-strand pull-through braid. I start braiding with the 5-strand braid, so I take 5 equal strands of hair, like this. Then I start to move strands alternately from side, under and over. Then from the another side, again under and over. From the another side, under, add hair, over, under, add hair, over, and from the right side, under, add hair, over, and from the left side, under, add hair, and over. So just keep on repeating this pattern. To get more volume for this hairstyle, I pancake the edges of the braid. So just pinch the edge and pull out. And do that for every stitch of the braid. Like this. Then just continue braiding like before. I will continue this braid until I've added nearly all of my hair inside the braid. Here you can see I have about 3 of 4 quarters in this 5-strand braid, and then I quit the braiding. Then I take the rest of the hair and pull them through the 5-strand braid. I just put my fingers through the braid like this, and then I pull the hair through between my fingers. And this is how you can create these braids seamlessly together. When the pull-through braid kinda starts in here, I split the hair in two and take a little bit more extra hair, then tie them together like on the pull-through braid. And now you can see how the pull-through braid continues seamlessly after the 5-strand braid. Take some hair, split them in 2 sections and bring back, then tie together with the elastic. Pancake the edges, and then repeat again. Take some hair, split in 2, bring back and tie together with an elastic. Keep on repeating this pattern until the braid is on desired length. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!